Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video, and today I'm going to show you how to create new events, tasks or reminders on Google Calendar web application. So the first thing that you will need to do is to open your internet browser or your browser, and then you will search for Google. And if you're already using Google Chrome, you will find your profile picture here, and then you can go to your Google account, or you can search like here the Google account, and you can search for your apps and you will find the calendar. Otherwise, if you are using other browsers, you can just go for Google and search for Google, either the Gmail or any Google app, and by that you will find here your Google account. After you connect to it, of course, you will need to connect to your Google account so you can access to the Google Calendar. You click on the Google Apps, this icon, and then click on Calendar, and now you have the access of Google Calendar. And now all you remains is to follow these simple steps. So the first step to take is to go to the create button on your left of or on this navigation bar or navigation tab of your Google Calendar application. You click on create, and here you will find the elements that you can create with the application. Either you can create events out of office, so you can show that you are or out of office or on vacation sometime, working location, task, etc. Or you can create these items by clicking on a time or clicking on a day. You can drag like this if you want to have like a whole or multiple days, and then you will set the nature or the type of the event or the item. Either it is an event, task, reminder, working location, out of this, etc. And then you will give it a title. So let's give it a title. You can add other informations. You can click on more options to add additional informations, and then the last thing to do is to click on save. And by that you have just created an item in Google Calendar web application or all the other applications. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.